Guys, why is it that when people break up, I see them working out in the gym, all trying to get in shape, all trying to lose weight, and they didn't do that for their partner? Right?
Yeah,
Good question.
it's a very good question. The problem is, as human, we only react when we have a problem. You know, I come to see you because I was overweight, I didn't sleep well, I have low energy, so I had to do something, right? And I realized it because I just look at myself in the mirror and told myself it's not okay. I cannot stay like this. So we tend to wait the last moment before to react, and a breakup is a wake-up call. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think a breakup's a wake-up call, but also too, it mentally, like, you have to, for me, I feel like on top of that, it gets the attention of the other person, right? So as yeah, we didn't get the attention before, but what's a way after a breakup that you can really get the attention from the other person? And that's really by looking your best and creating the best life ever, because really you want them to be a part. If they really want to be a part of it now, then hopefully they can, and I think that's the reason why, oh sorry, I hit you in my hair, a lot of people they go to weight loss and they start working out after a breakup to get that reaction from their partner. But also a lot of times I think it also helps with emotional health, right, of overcoming the breakup.
Right. That's true. I just thought of it myself, though, of if you're gonna, some guys I know will all of a sudden start working out.
Yeah.
And I think to myself, why didn't they do that for their girlfriend? What was the problem? Well, guys, thank you for being on the show. I'm hoping that they will come back and enjoy the view and film again.
Yeah.
And if you guys don't follow, I'm going to put their links. I'm not good at my videos yet of telling people that I have all of the links in the bottom, but I'm going to put the links to their YouTube channels and to their social media. They give out amazing advice. I think everyone would be served by watching their videos and following them. And thanks, guys, for having been on the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.